look what I got. A pouch, right? With pieces. Inside of this is marbles. I love marbles. I love marbles. You know it. And these are not ordinary marbles. These are fairy marbles. It's the first marble. Okay, this one is a pearl. I got it in an antique shop. This is a black pearl. Basically, this just to make your potions like work or whatever. I don't know. But just like that. And I got these 2 fairy marbles. I mean 3. Okay, so this is like beige and stuff like that, and this is some green only. And this one is a plastic marble, and this one is squarish. Okay, so guys, and I love you guys. Bye bye.